Staircase of 56. Looking for 3 or 3. Bird can walk around the park. Around the park. They is looking at the new tree. Looking for trees. Looking for new trees. I need my song into my nest. Say what? I need my go home for my acorns. Say Kip. They have a maple tree. It looks a fairy song. The two friends went up the maple tree. This tree is so strong. Say what? I can't be in the nest here. Kip walked his tree. I don't see any holes, he said. I can live in this tree. Kip pointed into whole tree. Let's try that tree, said Kip. It has lots of holes. The two friends went up to old tree. Kip climbed up into the tree or hole. This tree is perfect. What's wrong her hand? This one is so thin, she said. I can live in this tree.